This Chicken Alfredo Protein Bake packs over 150 grams of protein and the secret, Real Good Foods chicken. This chicken is fried in beef tallow so there's no seed oils, and it packs 23 grams of protein and only 4 grams net carbs per serving. It's perfect for easy, high protein meal prep and it tastes delicious. All you gotta do is air fry the chicken, chop it up, mix it with cooked pasta, some Alfredo sauce, then top it with mozzarella and parmesan and bake until golden and bubbly. This dish is ridiculously easy, high protein, and you can make it once to enjoy all week. Full recipe in the caption, you gotta try this.